I'm Tim Hudson from the European Network for Rural Development's Contact Point, and I've been involved with LEADER since 1995. And one of the most useful tips that I've learned during all that time for people who are involved in preparing local development strategies is to start preparing as early as possible, because proper and appropriate planning is certainly one of the most important success factors for a smooth and effective rollout of a leader group's development strategy. This is especially relevant for leader groups that are moving from one period of funding into a new programming period, because it helps to ensure continuity and avoids any risk of momentum being lost. And it's good to remember that preparing development plans and strategies takes time. Many tasks are involved, and it's important not to underestimate the amount of work involved. So if you're not sure about how much work is involved in different tasks, then it's worth seeking advice beforehand to confirm the different time frames for different tasks. So successful leader groups often produce planning tools to help make sure that they include all the tasks in the planning process, and that they are able to measure their progress in achieving the planning milestones. Contingency resources are another useful tool to help include in your planning process, to help you make sure that your local development strategy is ready in time. And the overall aim is to use as much time as you can, so that you can properly consider how to make best use of the opportunities for creating better quality and more integrated leader strategies. This includes taking time to involve all the partners and all the stakeholders in the planning process. Everyone involved should have enough time to properly agree to properly understand, and have the ability and the capacity to carry out their particular planning tasks. This is another very important tip. And our last tip about the advantages of starting to plan leader actions early is that this helps to ensure that essential monitoring and evaluation aspects are designed as an integral part of the overall strategy. And monitoring and evaluation should not be considered as some kind of bureaucratic burden, because they are extremely useful management tools for leader groups. And so it's very, very important to plan these tools early on. And by planning earlier on, you can make sure that you have the monitoring system in place that is objective, that is consistent, that is measurable, and is realistic in terms of its use, particularly in terms of the baseline data that you'll be measuring your progress against.